I just read my morning laps, picked up my favorite hot drink, pumpkin spice and everything nice, drove to my favorite Tay song, and it's a wonderful day. The only thing that can possibly ruin today is... What happened to my favorite whiteboard? It's ruined! Oh no! It's Sharpie! It won't come off! Settle down, everyone, settle down. Settle down, class. Settle down, please. Everyone sit in their seats. Settle down. York, can you turn your music off, please? Thank you. Alright, before we start today, I'd like to say, Miranda, that outfit is slaying. But also, cheese and crackers, what did you guys do to my board? It's very vibrant and colorful and nice, but it is highly inappropriate for school. I would like to know who did it. Yes, Taylor.
It's been there for a while. I'm pretty sure you're tripping.
You're confused, and the only one tripping would be the one going over to the ISI room. Oh, nutcrackers, why are you late again, Ashley?
I was chasing turkeys.
Why are you chasing turkeys in the school building?
We had to get ready.
Never mind. Michaela?
Miss Sheldon, yesterday I heard some people talking about wanting to pull a prank on someone.
Oh yeah, I heard that. Snitch!
Yeah, Michaela, no one likes a snitch. But seriously, who are they?
I don't know all their names, just the leaders.
Spiliotis! Bringer of misery, spawn of perdition, mischief incarnate. What do all of these unrelated titles have in common? They all belong to the evil son of the sweetest parents that have ever existed, Angelo Spiliotis. Spiliotis comes off as the most wonderful child, always smiling, always helping out those in need. Hitler was wonderful as a child. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe. Fidel Castro used to smile. Judas used to help those in need. Spiliotis has never been caught doing the bad things that he does, but that's all going to change right now. Spiliotis, you fiend!
Oh, hey, Miss Sheldon. My mom made these delicious cookies just for you. I hope you like them.
Oh yeah? What did you do to it? Did you spit on it? Dunk it in the urinal? This actually smells fine. Oh my, this is the most delicious thing I've ever had. Tell your mom this is a dream that I love her. But I know it was you. You were the one that wrote all those things on my whiteboard and ruined it.
Oh, no. Miss Sheldon, I'm so sorry that happened. You know it couldn't have been me with all the volunteer work I do for my church before and after school. I could ask my mom if I could stay and help you find the culprit.
You would like to keep your enemies close now, wouldn't you?
Oh no, there's the bell. I have to go to class now, I'm late. I'm sorry I couldn't help you, Miss Sheldon.
Oh yeah, you would. Wait, dang it. Yeah, run away, you little. He's gone. As evil as Angelo is, he is right. It couldn't have been him. I called his church and his youth pastor said that he was helping in the soup kitchen, which I'm sure is code for like grave robbing or something. Okay, everyone. This is the unofficial team I've put together for finding the one responsible for this prank. I've named this team the Prankster Oppression Omission Program.
Poop? You named our team Poop?
Yes, I know, but that is because the person that did this is a poop.
Okay, Miss Sheldon, but why call our group a Poop?
Okay, guys, that's not important. We need to focus on the task at hand.
Don't you mean the poop in hand?
Also, you.
I think we should just forgive and forget and get back to our learning.
I love your innocence, Michaela, but we're here solving for revenge, not X.
I have a plan, but y'all are not ready for it.
I am curious and a little bit scared, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Let's hear it.
For sure.
So, first things first, if we do this, there's no turning back. And this may or may not result in death. And even worse, extreme death.
No, we don't want to kill them. We just want to scare them so bad that they'll never pull this prank on anyone else again.
I'm sorry, but for my process to work, something or someone is gonna have to die.
How about the only thing that dies is this idea of yours?
Okay, fine.
I actually peed a little.
Alright, I can't keep you guys any longer. Y'all need to go home, but good job. That was fun, but I don't think it's the custodian. We need to leave.
Alright.
We have no evidence, but I do believe it was Filiotis. It's sad we couldn't find anyone, but oh well. It was at least fun.
Oh, poop.